Hi guys, it's your girl Mia Ashanti, and if you want to know how to achieve this look, just keep on watching. So to start off this style, I'm going to be working on an old twist style. I'm going to use some main nutrients mango growth oil and apply that to my scalp and give myself a quick scalp massage before we start the styling process. I wanted to do something a little different, so I'm doing a side part for this half up, half down style. Right now you'll see me parting my swoop. I'm going to part the curve and then I'm going to part the two sides that attaches to it. I'm going to put this whole section together and clip it out of the way while I work on the next section. So next up is separating the actual half up and half down section. So I'm going to be separating the down section and putting a clip on it just to secure that out the way. Now that those two sections are out the way, I'm going to start working on my ponytail by spraying some water on it and adding the Eco Gel and slicking it up. Now I'm going to be using the Demon 91 Purple Back Comber. This brush is so smoothing and slickening. I love it so much. You guys got to get you one of these. It is important that you make this ponytail kind of low. It's going to seem like there's not a lot of hair hanging out in the bottom, but it is important because when you clip that hair up with the claw clip, you don't want it to sit too high up on your head. Now that the ponytail is secure, we gotta start working on slicking the front. So I'm working on the smaller section, spraying it with water and adding some gel and just slicking it back. Back home, I'm no president, I'm Obama. I condone. While working with the bigger section, I noticed that my ends were a little dry, so I did go in with the main nutrients mango moisturizing cream and just added that in just to add some more moisture before finishing this style. Once those two front sections are slicked, we're going to pull them to the back and secure them with a rubber band. Before securing the claw clip, you just want to twist your hair to make the base small. That way the clip will be able to clip around your whole hair. I got this clip from Five Below. It came in a 2-pack. I actually bought every single color. Now I'm going in with some water to the back section of my hair because we're going to add some definition to these curls. We're going to go in with the main nutrients curl defining custard and just keep applying that with water until the curls are saturated and look juicy. Now that the curls in the back are defined, we're just going to touch up these edges. And you can't forget to pull out those side curls. These are my favorite part of edges. How could you be so cold as the winter wind when it breeze, yo? Just remember that you talking to me, though. You need to watch the way you talking to me, yo. I mean, after all the things that we've been through, I mean, after all the things we got into. Hey, yo, I know some things that you ain't told me. Hey, yo, I did some things, but that's the old me. And this is the final look of my half up, half down claw clip hairstyle. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Make sure you like, comment some hairstyle suggestions in the comment section, and subscribe if you like natural hair content like this. How could you be so